Hi everyone, welcome back to another video by njelife. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade chicken Alfredo broccoli mushroom lasagna roll-ups. Bake in the oven. I'll show you how I make it, and you can do your own version of it. Let's get started.
First, just start by boiling your lasagna noodles, just as the box says.
All right, now bake it in your 400-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the chicken is cooking and the noodles are cooking, I'm going to chop up some garlic. I'm going to do about 4 cloves of this fresh garlic. And I already have the fresh garlic minced up right here. I'm gonna spray it with a little non-stick spray just because it can't hurt. Now I'm gonna pour a little bit of our homemade Alfredo sauce in the bottom, piping hot, just a little bit. This was after 15 minutes on 350 degrees. I don't want the noodles to get like hard and crispy on top, and everything is nice and hot and melted together, so I figured it is done. Okay, let's give it a try. I know it's gonna be delicious. I had a feeling that this Alfredo sauce was gonna be like my best ever homemade yet, because just the butter and garlic and cheese and everything melted so nicely together and cooked so well. So I feel like it's gonna be super delicious. Yep, super delicious. That was some chicken.